Pollution reduction is a pressing issue that requires immediate attention. The increase in greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants has led to a range of environmental problems, including global warming, air pollution, and water contamination. To address this issue, it is essential to take a proactive approach towards pollution reduction.
Credit cards are a ubiquitous form of payment that have revolutionized the way we conduct transactions. With a credit card, individuals can make purchases without having to carry cash or worry about the availability of funds. Credit cards also offer a range of benefits such as cashback rewards, travel points, and purchase protection.
Stone tools have been essential tools for human survival throughout history. These primitive implements, crafted from rocks and shaped by skilled hands, enabled early humans to hunt, gather, and build shelters. Stone tools served as a testament to our ancestors' resourcefulness and adaptability in the face of challenges.
Faster communications have irrevocably altered the way we communicate and interact with others, ushering in a new era of interconnectedness that has transformed the world into an interconnected global village. The emergence of cutting-edge technologies such as the internet and mobile devices has enabled us to transmit information at unprecedented speeds.
Scientists find that the feel-good brain chemical dopamine regulates anxious worm behavior in the presence of nipping predators. The findings illuminate how this dopamine-regulated brain pathway may be related to anxiety and could provide insight into human conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD.
Every time I close my eyes, a recurring dream haunts me without fail. I find myself in a mysterious forest, where towering trees rustle with every whisper of the wind. I walk along an endless path, desperately searching for an exit that eludes me. Each time I wake, a sense of unease and confusion lingers.
Severe inflammation in early childhood is a clinically known risk factor for developing autism and schizophrenia. Now, for the first time, scientists from the University of Maryland School of Medicine, UMSOM, have discovered that inflammation alters the development of vulnerable brain cells, and this could have mechanistic links to neurodevelopmental disorders.
When someone is passionate about what they do, they are more likely to invest time and effort into mastering their craft and pushing the boundaries of their potential. Passionate individuals often inspire others with their dedication and unwavering commitment. Passion has the power to transform our lives and make a positive impact on the world around us. Recent research suggests that adult fragments of a coral species exhibit improved tolerance to bleaching and a faster recovery when exposed to symbionts that have evolved to withstand higher temperatures. Interestingly, the study also found that the treatment with these heat-evolved symbionts did not negatively impact the coral's growth.
Due to the growing urgency of the climate crisis, there has been a significant increase in the establishment of commercial tree plantations as a means to counterbalance excessive carbon emissions. However, experts argue that these carbon offset plantations may have negative impacts on biodiversity and other vital functions of ecosystems.